Hello everyone. In today's session we will discover the financial reports feature, and in this feature we will today make an income statement and will show the quarterly trend over the period of 3 years. 3 years starting from the reporting date year, and then last 2 years before that year. Okay, so it will have a 3 years periodic trend, but it will span on quarterly basis. So as our previous session covered the month-wise trend in periodic, and where just to recap, you can see the report definition of 12 months periodic trend. What we did here, we created another column definition where we define over the period of 12 months periodic, but it is based in on month basis, January to December. But in this one, and we kept the row definition the same like our first video on income statement, to have the different heads or ratios. So we will just show it again. This is our row definition, and we kept it same. Only in the column definition we change our columns in our last video. So in this video also we will just want to see our quarterly trend over the period of 3 years. So again it will be 12 months buckets, but it will be quarterly amounts. Okay, so for that we will just create a column definition. Okay, and you can see it here in 3-year quarterly trend. Okay, so this is the same which we will just create, and we will learn also once we create a new definition of column, we will learn how to create that. So we will just go ahead and create a new column definition. Okay, what we need to define is first of all we need to define our column type, which will be the row description, and this will be retrieved from our row definition, the name of different ratios or different rows. So after this we just need to create a column type which will be FD, and once we select FD, automatically the remaining values are selected, but we need to change little bit here. Okay, to start with we will say it, this is a Q1, this is our Q2, and this is our Q3, and this header 2 means it is just a hard-coded text. I am just putting it here, and then see here what we need to do is starting from first year, so it will be fiscal year. Here it will be base. Okay, so in the base what we need to do is we just we in the base it will be the same for the first 4 quarters. So I will put here a base, and before that first let me copy everything same to make it simple. Copy here and then copy 4 columns. Okay, now we have here how many? We have 12 columns here, 12 starting from B to EM, and first column will show the description from the row definition. Okay, in above this we need to also place and insert text, and it will give us period. It will be fiscal period name, fiscal year. Okay, fiscal year it will be. Okay, in this fiscal year, and then also here we will place fiscal year, and here also fiscal year, and then we will copy our quarters labels or text as a heading in the same way. Okay, now what we need to change is important. In second year you can see here the base. In the base we can just go back 1 year behind. So what we need to do is we need to just place here -1, base minus 1. Same, we will just need to replace all the values, and here it will be base minus 2. Okay, after placing this minus 2, just copy it. So automatically this will be the year which is the base year minus 1 here in these 4 columns, and then minus 2 here. So it will be behind from the current base year behind 2 years. So automatically it will pick. Okay, then what we need to do is in the period. If you remember, in month wise we place one value here, like from 1, and then here 2 and 3 and 4. But here we need quarter. For quarter we need to give a range. And how to give a range you must have learned while we total in row definition. We total it, and in the totals you saw how we total it by giving a range of rows or columns. So what we are giving here, like instead of putting 1 for first month, we are saying that from first month to third month, and is separated by a colon symbol. Similarly, in here in the base we will put 4 to 6th month, and here we will say 7 to 9 month, and here we will say 7 to 7, 8, 9, and then we here say 10 to 12. So the same value will be copied here, and similarly here. So automatically based on the year here by base minus 1 or base minus 2, it will automatically say that this month belong to base minus 2 year. So in this way it will automatically pick the correct month range or quarter range here. So then we just will select everything, and we will give a suitable font, and I like Segway UI. Okay, for the headers we will just place bold, make them bold. Okay, and save it and give it a name like PKR IS 3 years quarterly trend. That's it. Okay, after this we just need to make another report definition like our previous video, and we will say, okay, go ahead and create a new report definition. In report definition we will say any company. In detail level we say financial account and transactional level, so that we can drill down to the transactional level. And in row definition we will select our previously created single income statement summary row definition, and then here we will need to select our 3 years quarterly trend. In the output also we just need to give it a name like income statement 3 years quarterly trend, and copy the same. Go to the header and footer and place the same description here, and we will place here company description, and we will remove this, and here we will place reporting date. Okay, here we'll select in date and time group the report date short format and generate it on. Here also we will give report generated date, and then we will go to the settings, and we will disable currency symbol because we need in different currencies. Okay, also we will untick display blank for 0 amounts. We will save it as PKR IS 3 years quarterly trend. This is our new report definition. Okay, we have placed it here, and we will just save and close. Also close column definition, and we will refresh. Okay, so here we can see 3 years quarterly trend is shown here, So we will just generate our report to see how it looks. Okay, so the new report is generated as per our message, pop-up message, and here you can see starting from 2016, which is our base year, it is going to 2015 and 2014, and you can see different amounts are shown, although in 2014 because there is no data, so it is not showing anything. However, in 2016 you can see different quarterly trends, and you can also, as a homework, if you want, you can place another column, fifth column, in 2016, 15 and 14, which will show you year to date, and you need to tell me how you achieved that. You just put in the comments that what selection you made in your column definition in order to just test your knowledge based on this video. Okay, this is as your homework. Okay, I hope this is also informative for you, and in next session we will also make a consolidation based on two companies. Instead of working in single company, we will make a consolidation, and we will see how to make a consolidation in financial reports feature, or which is also called management reporter, how to make a consolidation for two companies, and we will select USRT and USMF for that purpose. Thank you very much, guys, and enjoy your day. Take care and bye bye.